Hello everyone, in this episode I'll show you how to add wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto to your Mercedes-Benz NTG 4.5 system equipped with the Becker Map Pilot slot inside the glove compartment. I've also prepared a compatibility chart showing all the supported Mercedes models, so feel free to pause the video if you'd like to check whether your vehicle is compatible. With this upgrade, you'll gain access to your favorite navigation apps, music streaming services, voice assistants, and many other features that make driving safer, easier, and far more enjoyable. This way, you'll finally be able to get rid of that annoying phone mount stuck to your windshield. On top of that, you'll also have the option to install a rear view camera with a very simple plug-and-play installation. And that's not all. This module is surprisingly affordable, especially if you use my exclusive 15% discount code. Now, let's take a closer look at the product and see just how easy it is to install and use. This is the module I chose for my customer. It's a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto module from CARABC. Their products offer an excellent balance between price, quality, and performance, making them one of the best value upgrades available for Mercedes vehicles equipped with the Becker Map Pilot system. If you'd like to order one for your own car, you'll find the direct purchase link in the video description and in the first pinned comment. If you'd rather browse their website, simply search for Mercedes-Benz CarPlay and you'll find all the available versions. Don't forget to use my discount code TDW15 at checkout to receive an exclusive 15% discount. Now let's see what comes inside the box. Right away, you'll notice the main features printed on the side of the packaging: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, plug and play, USB media, and easy installation. As soon as you open the box, the first thing you'll find is the user manual. It contains everything you need to know about installing and using the module, including installation instructions, technical specifications, menu navigation, and step-by-step guides for connecting both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now let's take a closer look at the module itself. As you can see, it's almost identical in size and shape to the original Becker Map Pilot unit, allowing it to fit perfectly into the factory slot inside the glove compartment. Later in the video, you'll see just how simple the installation is and how quickly the module starts working once it's connected. The box also includes all the cables you'll need for the installation. We also have an aux cable. If your Mercedes doesn't support Bluetooth audio, this cable allows you to route the sound through the aux input instead, but it's nice to have that option available. Next, we have the rear view camera wiring harness. One connector is labeled camera in, which receives the video signal from the camera, while the ACC wire provides the power required for the camera to activate automatically when reverse gear is engaged. We also have a USB extension cable which can be used for media playback or future software updates if needed. And finally, this is the connector that plugs directly into the module so you can connect the reverse camera and the USB port. And that's it, we just need to slide it inside the Becker slot inside the glove compartment. First, I'll show you how to connect a rear view camera to the module. The camera I'm using is a universal aftermarket model, but I usually use cameras integrated into the trunk handle. This is just to illustrate the necessary connections. It comes with two RCA connectors, and since they're interchangeable, it doesn't matter which end you use. First, connect one of the yellow RCA connectors to the module's camera in port. This carries the video signal from the camera to the display. Next, connect a small red wire running alongside the RCA cable to the module's ACC wire. This wire provides a 12-volt output that powers the camera automatically whenever reverse gear is selected. For manual transmission, however, you also need to connect a third wire to the reverse lights. Now, let's move to the camera itself. The camera has two cables coming out of it. The first is the power cable where we'll connect the provided power adapter. The adapter has two wires, one black and one red. For this installation, we only need the red wire as the black is for ground. The second cable is the yellow RCA connector which carries the video signal. Now simply connect the adapter's red wire to the remaining red wire from the intermediate cable. Then connect the camera's yellow RCA connector to the remaining yellow RCA connector. And that's it! The camera is now powered and ready to send its video signal directly to the CarPlay module. Once you've checked that all the connections are secure, we can move on to installing the module itself. I am now going to remove the connector from the module so you can better see the Becker slot. Open the glove compartment, and on the left-hand side, your vehicle should be equipped with the Becker Map Pilot slot. If your Mercedes isn't equipped with this slot, this module is not compatible with your vehicle. To remove the original Becker module, simply press the black release tab located above it. The module will pop out, allowing you to pull it out by hand. Now insert the CARABC module. Pay close attention to the connector on the back. It only fits in one orientation, so don't force it in. Simply align it correctly and push the module all the way in until you hear the locking click. That click confirms the module has been installed correctly. We've finished wiring the rear view camera, so we can now plug its cable into the module. To enable the camera, enter the Navi menu, open Settings, select Camera Type, and choose Aftermarket Camera. From this point on, every time you shift into reverse, the rear view camera image will automatically appear on the factory display. As you can see, the image is smooth, responsive, and appears almost instantly. Now let's configure the audio. Go back to the module settings menu and open sound. Enable the required audio option, confirm by pressing OK, and the module will automatically restart. The reboot only takes a few seconds. Once it finishes restarting, everything is going to work. Now let me show you how to activate Android Auto for the very first time. This initial setup only needs to be completed once during the pairing process. After that, wireless Android Auto or wireless Apple CarPlay will connect automatically every time you start the car, as long as Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. The connection will be much faster than it was during the initial pairing. Open the Bluetooth menu on your phone and select the device named CARABC 4.5 The name may be different from module to module. Tap Pair and wait a few seconds for the connection to complete. Android Auto is now ready to use, giving you instant access to your favorite navigation apps, music streaming services, messaging apps, and everything else Android Auto has to offer.
Realize that, oh, this is special. I get it, you don't wanna see me. I get it, you don't wanna see.
If you're using an iPhone, the process is almost identical. Simply enable Bluetooth, connect to the Bluetooth device broadcast by the module, follow the on-screen instructions, and wireless Apple CarPlay will be ready to use within seconds. As you've seen, installing this CarPlay module is quick, completely plug-and-play, and doesn't require any permanent modifications to your Mercedes. Once installed, you no longer have to rely on a phone mount attached to your windshield. Instead, you'll enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto fully integrated into your factory infotainment system. You'll have instant access to your favorite navigation apps, music streaming services, hands-free calling, and much more, all from your original Mercedes display. You can also use Siri or Google Assistant to control navigation, send messages, make phone calls, or play your favorite music using nothing but your voice. This allows you to keep your hands on the steering wheel and your eyes on the road, making every journey both safer and more enjoyable. Considering how simple this module is to install and how many modern features it adds to the factory multimedia system, I believe it's one of the best value upgrades you can make for any Mercedes equipped with the Becker Map Pilot system. If you'd like to install one in your own car, you'll find the purchase link in the video description and in the first pinned comment. Don't forget to use my exclusive discount code TDW15 at checkout to save 15% on your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
They call, got me back in my